Para naman sa Meralco Bolts, simula pa lamang ito ng laban nila kontra TNT Katropa. Ito'y sa kabila ng kanilang pagkabigo kontra TNT sa Game 1 ng kanilang semi-showdown. Alamin natin kung ano ang battle plan ngayon ni Head Coach Norman Black mula sa report ni Arian Malyare.
Walang balak na magpa-apekto ang Meralco Bolts kahit pa nakuha ng TNT Katropa ang Game 1 semis ng ongoing PBA Governors Cup kagabi. Yumukod ang Bolts sa Katropa 95-113 dahilan upang makuha ng Karibal ang 1-game advantage sa kanilang Best of 5 semi-series. Tatlo lamang sa Bolts ang gumawa ng double digits sa Game 1 na sina Alan Durham na nagpasok ng 26 points, Cliff Hodge na may 16 shots at Jared Dillinger na nagbigay naman ng 12 markers. Ayon kay Head Coach Norman Black, inamin nito na top priority sa kanyang plano ang mapigilan ang 3-point shots ng Katropa, kung saan 15 out of 29 attempts nito kagabi ang pumasok.
We watched the tape and the majority of those 3-point shots, we actually really challenged them. In other words, they were pretty good last night, the way they shot the basketball. But we still got to continue to do a better job in that area, trying to close out on their shooters.
Naniniwala rin si Black na kailangan nilang maging agresibo, partikular na sa kanilang opensa upang makuha nila ang Game 2.
We have to continue to be confident. That's very important. JD to shoot the ball well from the perimeter, because normally when he shoots well, we win. When he doesn't shoot well, we lose. And of course, we need to find ways to make sure AD is not doubled and triple teamed every time that he touches the basketball. I'm talking about Alan Durham. We have to make sure we can free him up, and we have to make sure we have good spacing on offense.
Ang Game 2 ng Best of 5 semifinal series ng TNT at Meralco ay itinakda bukas ng alas 7 ng gabi. Arian Malyare, PTV Sports.